Good morning, night owls. I hope you have slept well this evening. Comment below if you had any good dreams or good vibes. Let me know how your day is going. I hope it's going fantastic. So, today we're going to be doing another shadow work together. Now, if you don't know what shadow work is, well, it's a therapeutic thing where we write down a question and we answer it as truthfully as possible. Now you're doing this for your own benefit, for to help you with PTSD, help you with traumas in past life, and so on and so forth. And in those situations, it does really help just for you to write them down and think and talk to yourself about it. You don't exactly need like a priest or someone else to talk to. Now, like I said, this is purely for therapeutic. Keep in mind that this is not witchcraft, this is not Wicca or any of as such, or any dark magic. Now, I do recommend for you to grab your book and write the questions down and answer them yourself. So, I have day 3. Where in your life are you currently feeling most isolated, and how are you dealing with that? Well, I'm feeling extremely isolated in my bank account. I am very poor right now. I have no income coming in, and as a matter of fact, it's very frightening. No jobs are hiring me. I've been putting in 5 applications every day. It got to the point where I was adding or doing 7 applications every day for 2 weeks or a week, going into 2 weeks, and still nobody called me. Of course, I got some interviews here and there, but I did not make the cut apparently. Maybe overqualified, or I don't know what to tell you. So I feel extremely isolated because I'm not really supporting my family as much as I would like to. I would like to pay for everything, for get my daughter new clothes, buy her food whenever she wants to eat, and so she can eat whenever she wants to, and get her brand new clothes. She's already gained too big for her clothes. Her clothes that she's currently wearing is like 5T, I believe. I might be wrong there. 6T, and she needs to be at like 7 or 8T. She's complaining that her clothes is getting too small for her, and it actually breaks my heart that I cannot make money to go and just go out shopping with her and buy her all the clothes she needs. So I'm feeling very isolated in that field, and not many people is reaching out or helping me at all. I did reach out to a friend, which is the only guy that actually did help me, and now I have a interview in about 2 weeks. It's not really an interview, it's more of like a, what do you call it? I don't remember what you call it. Or formality for me to go talk to him, shake his hand, and so he can learn a little bit about me before I go into work for him. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you the type of job or what I'm going to be doing. Just keep in mind that I'll be sanitizing. A lot of sanitizing, and I'll have my own work truck, which is pretty awesome. But yeah. So that's some crazy stuff. So how am I dealing with all this, the feeling of this isolation from work and not being able to make money? Is I'm working harder on my streams. Whenever I'm not with baby, playing with her, taking care of her, feeding her and all that, I'm over here trying to find content, writing, getting people collaborating, and streaming so people can join my streams, enjoy themselves, smile when I can't even smile for myself, and hope that I make their day better, even when my day has been terrible. So that's how I deal with it. I prefer to make people smile than smile myself. Some days it's hard to smile at all. Well, that's all I have for you today, Night Owls. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, comment below. Let me know how your day was. If you had any great dreams, and if you want to share your shadow work, go ahead and comment below. If not, don't worry about it. I cannot force you to do anything. I just hope you have a wonderful day today. Until next time.